Mother, bigger vessel or smaller one?
Let me tell you myself.
Mom!
Yes?
The cockroach!
Cockroach!
The
Where is
cockroach
it?
over there.
Where's the cockroach? You're poking fun at me. There are so many guests here, and you said that you saw a cockroach. Where's the cockroach? Tell me deal with it.
Cockroach! Where is it?
You got the poor guy scared, right? There's no cockroach here. Only you can see it, right? You lied, right?
Oh my goodness, what is this madness? Aladdin, the name you've heard before, please leave his ear. Yes.
You! What are you doing here?
Hey, why are you screaming at him? I asked Gino to get me the vessels from there.
Yes.
Gino? Mom, when did you meet him?
Yes, I really got scared when I saw him for the first time. But this kid is really a kind and good soul.
Thanks, Mom.
Mom? From when did you start addressing her as that? You can't call her like that. Only I can call her as my mom and no one else.
But she's okay if I address her mom, okay?
I'm telling you.
Listen to me. He's also like my son. He's such a sweet boy. And if he calls me mom, what is your problem?
Little does she know that he's not a boy, but actually a genie. I need to take the lamp to the gentleman and that's it.
Here it is.
No, Mom. I'll have it later. Serve it to the guests first.
This isn't for you. This is for my son Gino.
For me. Sheer Khurma.
And yes, if you tell him anything, I shall punish you again. You get it?
Sheer Khurma.
Hey.
Master Aladdin, the name you've heard before, the Sheer Khurma is so tasty. You also have some?
Head with your tasty. Leaving you free will get me in trouble. Come along. Come along, I say. Come on.
Oh my goodness. What is this madness?
Listen. Don't leave this chamber until I send all the guests away. You are not going to move.
As you wish, my master, the name you've heard before. Master Aladdin, the name you've heard before. Can you shoo away this insect on my nose?
Can't you even do that?
I can, but you have asked me not to move.
I've asked you not to move out of this room. You can move around anywhere within this room.
Oh my goodness! What is this madness? Now I'll eat the yummy sheer khurma made by mother.
Only I can call her mother and not you.
But mother has no problem if I address her as mother. Sheer khurma.
Father, see this.
Enough, princess.
My queen, she is not wrong in saying so. In Hindustan, people are talking about the girl-child education. Even the Princess of Baghdad can now set an example.
Your Highness, if you allow me, then I would like to say something.
Look at him. He's so clever. He wants to talk about his wedding himself.
Let's get the princess married to a man who can take over the throne and take care of the princess as well. By doing this, it will keep her close to you.
My lord, I completely agree with him.
Father. Father.
My lord?
Mother.
My lord?
Father.
My lord?
Father. Call the physician.
That means he's dead now. Means now brother-in-law will take over the throne.
Please have mercy on me.
I swear upon gold coins. I had a doubt, but I am very sure now.
You are wrong. I've never abused you even in my dreams.
Just shut up. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about this man.
Okay.
Now I'm sure that this man has something to do with the newfound richness of Rukhsar and Aladdin. That's why they always lock him up inside.
Just like you hide the tomatoes.
And that's why we will have to charm this man.
No. This can't be.
I swear upon gold coins, Gulbadan's father, this would be the next course of action.
Fine then. If this is what you want, then so be it. Mister.
Oh my god. Have mercy on your less handsome face at least. You can't even breathe properly. How will you work your magic? Huh? I shall work my magic on that gentleman as I am beautiful.
He is just a little weak. Otherwise, there is nothing wrong with him.
Alas. I'm sad that he has fallen a little weak.
Maybe he's tired after a long voyage. He needs some rest. Make sure that he does not move much.
I would never want that he should move even an inch. May God bestow him with health and the zeal to live. Physician, do visit the emperor every 3 hours and keep a check on him.
As you please. Here.
Thanks. Father.
Princess,
Yes.
don't shed those pearls.
Nothing will happen to you. You will be fine.
I will have to die one day.
Oh God, when will that happen?
And when that happens, I'd want you to be ready to take on the world, my dear. And never look up to the royal household for help. You need to be the pillar of support for the nation. Will my daughter, Yasmin, do so? Good. Very well. Princess,
Yes, Father.
you were about to tell me something important.
Yes, Father, I wanted to. I can't trouble him at this time. Father, I wanted to say that I love you a lot, Father.
Same here, my dear.
Your father is very tired. Let him sleep now.
Okay, Mother. Father, you please take rest. I will be back in some time.
It would have been good if you'd spent more time with your father, because his days are numbered. I'll get the lamp tonight, and after that the emperor shall leave for the heavenly abode.
These guests don't seem to leave.
Friends, I have an announcement to make. After a week, my son will get married. And in this situation, how can I not invite the rich people? I hope that next week you and your son Aladdin will grace my son's wedding with your presence.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting. We'll definitely attend your son's wedding.
Yes.
Thanks for coming, everyone. Now it's too late and I hope you all understand where I'm getting at.
Brother, my brother, I understood. My brother Aladdin wants to make all the arrangements here so that you all can rest here and ease a bit, right?
Wow,
Wonderful.
Such good
Just
hospitality. Wonderful.
You know, my brother,
Wonderful.
God has bestowed me with all the beauty, but a little sensibility. But I understand. My brother wants all of you to leave now. But before that, another round of Sheer Khurma should happen.
Yes,
What's
yes,
this?
yes,
Absolutely.
After all, we are related to the family of Ibn Battuta. Guests are like God. Let me get it right away for you.
Mother has made this Sheer Khurma so yummy that the one who eats is always licking his finger. I guess a witch lives here.
يا حبيبي يا حبيبي اسمح صوني اشرف يوكي يا حبيبي يا حبيبي والله 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 يا حبيبي يا حبيبي اسمح صوني اشرف يوكي يا حبيبي يا حبيبي والله 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 والله
So please tell me, what do you think of this beauty?
You call this a beauty tale? It was not a beauty tale. It was a horrific tale.
Come on. Very funny. Just tell me, what is a full-grown handsome man like you doing in this humble home? You should dwell in my heart.
Hey, I can even stay in a rat hole, but never in your heart. But who are you?
Don't you know me or what?
No.
I am the queen of the world of beauty, Malika.
And I am the most powerful magician of the universe, Malika.
Malika.
Didn't you hear me? I am Malika, 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 Malika.
Oh my goodness. What is this madness?
What the heck? Even he spoke of disaster. Hey, mister! Mister! Help! Someone help me!
my god, what's this noise about? Oh man, did that genie spoil things again?
गुलबदन
My wing just flew away! Oh heck, with everything it flew away! I've even lost my hair! Oh my god, what is all this? If mother happens to see this, then she's gonna find out that it's all genie's magic. No, I can't break mother's heart. I'll have to stop this storm at any cost. Mom.
Hey, relax. What happened?
Get some dry fruits in Abbas's sheer kurma.
Okay, so pick a bowl and add the dry fruits kept over there. Let me serve the rest of them.
Mom,
God, what happened?
Won't it be unjust towards the other guests if you add more dry fruits only to Abbas sheer kurma? Do one thing. Add dry fruits into all of the bowls. It will enhance the taste too.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I'll add them right away.
Yeah, and take your time. Gino! Only the one who has created the storm can stop it. Where is this genie?
Master Aladdin, you've heard the name before. Please rescue me. Malika is looking for me.
Gino, wake up! There's no Malika here.
No, she's here. She has grown fatter in this 500 years and she wants to confine me inside the lamp.
Gino, there's nothing like that. Gino, we've been hit by storm. Stop this storm. Otherwise my house will be in shambles. Gino, look there. There is no Malika here. If she was here, then you would have known. Right here, only you, me, mother, and these people are here. Gino, mother shouldn't get to know about this. And if she does, then she'll be heartbroken.
Master, if I had my legs, I had broken my legs, but not her heart. We'll have to stop this storm at any cost.
Then stop it, Gino.
I know how to create a storm, but I can't stop one.
Listen, Aladdin, don't let any guest leave. I'm on my way with the sheer khurma.
Oh my god. You thought of Malika and used your magical powers as the storm because Malika caused a storm in your life. Gino, think of a person who brought happiness in your life and use your magical powers for that.
My mother?
Mom?
Yes.
No matter what life throws at you, the very mention of mom breathes life into you. Gino, think of mom and use your powers.
I revere my mother before God. If a son has his mother's blessings, then he can stop any storm.
Nazneen, Nazneen. Good riddance, finally.
Get up. Get up. Are you alright? Get up. Get up. Are you alright?
What is it?
Mother,
Ma'am, are you alright?
Oh, to heck with you! By being nice, nothing is going to change. Where were you when the storm had engulfed us completely?
I'm so sorry.
Don't know what kind of a storm it was. Hurry. Hey, let's go from here. Run!
yes,
Run from here.
Wait, please wait. Actually, the thing is that the windows were open. It's windy outside and it seemed
Look
like
at
a storm.
that! I have even lost my hair! I can't find it anywhere! I have become a laughing stock! Let's go from here!
Yes, let's go. Let's go.
No, wait, please, wait. Please come back. Come here. Please sit down. Please forgive me. I'm going to look for your hair.
We have never experienced such a storm. Let's go.
Please stop. Wait.
Let's go.
Wait a sec.
Come on,
please,
go.
please. I request you all to wait here. Please wait. Please.
This wasn't a storm, but nature's punishment. I had told you earlier, you shouldn't visit a traitor's home.
Only a traitor's family is subjected to such an ordeal.
Look. I agree that you got into trouble because of me, but you can disregard us like this and you have no right to do so.
Oh, disregard! Only people who have respect can talk like this. His father was a traitor and his mother turned out too.
Enough! Not a single word against my mom.
Or else what are you going to do, huh? We don't want to stay in a house of a traitor.
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Come on.
Don't speak loudly, please. Mother might hear.
Then she should. She knows that she's a traitor's wife.